thing about me is I sleep in comfort, so I couldn't sleep. Look at my eyes, my head is aching, and I have a very low battery. My battery is less than 10%. So I bought this chewing stick for 2 cedis. This is it, 2 cedis. So I want to freshen up with it. So hopefully by 5 there can't be, because when I came there were 2 people, so I joined to be 3. One other person came and one came not too long ago, so I am just hoping say by 5 p.m. 5 a.m. guys, I don't think I'll talk to you again. Maybe I'll talk to you when I wake up or when I reach home. Guys, I am home. It's 5:45. The gate is locked. I'm calling one of my neighbors, but it looks like everybody is asleep, so I'll wait until someone comes out. I am feeling cold. Yeah, I am feeling cold, but then I thank God for his journey mercies. Right now what I need is a hot bath. Yeah, if I'm a kumimu, so I will take a bath, charge my phone, and then sleep until I get tired of sleeping. I expect to wake up around between 12 and 2. Yeah, I can sleep that much because I have not slept the whole night. So I'll talk to you later. Good afternoon. The time is 12:30. I woke up because I'm very hungry. The whole of yesterday I didn't eat. I ate about 2 tablespoonfuls of rice. If I had added water to it, so guys, today it's been a dull day. Look at how puffy my face still looks. Yeah, I've been tired. Those of you that clap, how do you do it, guys? I am drained. So guys, yesterday it was super fun. I was so happy to have met Najele, Sianoki, Wademaya, though I did not have the best of interactions with the Mayas, but then I was glad that I could meet them. I am praying that sooner than I don't know, I don't have any plans in mind, but then I'm just hoping that in the coming year we can come together, just a few of us come together, we sit, we talk, we just we talk about everything about YouTube, not to gossip, but then we come together just to have fun. This is the following day, my people. I am going to the market to go and get a goat meat, because since Friday, today is Wednesday, I've not had fufu, and that is so unlike me. I feel light-weighted, yeah. So, and Neta will be coming. She told me yesterday that she will come today, so I want to surprise her. And then also buy some few things. I would make a fried rice, God willing, tomorrow for the first time in a long, I don't remember the last time. It's not last year, it's not 2 years, it's not 3 years, it's not 4 years. It's over 5 years, yes, since I last made fried rice. So I'll make fried rice tomorrow, God willing. Today is 29th, 26th, 27th. Today is 28th, yeah. Today is 28th of December. And guys, Manuel Koyimika, I have promised you that I will not be serving you old vlogs. I'll sit down and chat you on that properly. But in the meantime, let's go to the market. So I am going. Are you looking at? Are you seeing it? The gentleman is riding a bicycle with a load. I just got back, and guys, I told you that I was going to buy cassava and the rest to come and prepare fufu. Nature called that she will come. She will not come today, she will come later. Okay, so I got to the market and there was barely cassava on the market. Yes, I went to, even we have two types of market, Jakituem and Jakesiem, and even on the street I did not see any cassava. It was about 3 people or so who had cassava, and I told myself that since I'm not on fufu medication for the past 4 days, I have not eaten fufu yet. I am leaving, though I feel light. I am leaving, so I will not bow to that inflation on cassava. You know what? The dollar has come down, yet prices are the same. When the dollar was shooting up, these traders, they increased the prices of even their old stock, and now that the dollar has come down, they are telling us that they have to sell what they have before they normalize the prices. But then before they normalize prices, in one vlog I told you that we were stocking plantains against Christmas, so it's over 2 months, and those that want to ripe, they are now ripening, yet we still have some fresh here, so when you bring it out, it still looks fresh. That is how I preserve my plantains and cassava. This cassava is almost 2 weeks old, but look at it, it will be still fresh. So guys, it's not morning, no, but I have this in my mouth because I made a video. Yeah, I've made a video about my addiction. So this is one way that I am, one medium through which I am fighting the addiction. So I am still sewing. The thread tears every now and then. I don't know whether I should take the machine for service and all. There's something that I need to press that I am not pressing because I don't know. Let me show you how I am keeping my phone stronger or active, how I'm reviving my phone during this vlogmas. Guys, so I put the phone on the cold water to keep it active because it gets super hot. I was talking to someone that knows me outside YouTube some days ago. Julie, I know you see this vlog, and she was like, how did you get here? She is surprised at what I am able to do here because me, growing up, I used to be shy. I used to be antisocial. Let me use that word. Even for me to greet, for me to talk to some other people, it was a problem to me. And so in order to avoid not greeting you, if you are coming from this direction, if you are on my left, to meet and greet you, I will take the right, or I'll go like this. So this is how I used to walk. I'm holding the tripod because Mami Sewa said if I leave it, it will drop down. So I'll rather walk like this. So almost everybody that sees my video keep asking what happened, what brought the change, though they are happy about who they see on camera or who they see on the internet. I want to say that now God, though, I don't even know what brought about this. It is bad marriage. So that's far by grace. Today is the 31st of December. If you don't agree, fight with your phone. I have said it. It's the 31st of December. God has been so good. He's been merciful. He's been kind. He's been compassionate. And Lord, on behalf of my subscribers and all that watches my video and the person that watched this video for the first time today, we want to say thank you. We want to say Ayiko for all you have done for us. Guys, can you hear my neighbor? I don't know who that person is, so I don't think it's coming from my compound. How can someone be pounding fufu this early morning like that? It's 8:30 and this person is making noise in my ears. On a more serious note, I think I need an applaud. Yeah, you have to congratulate me in the comment section, because today is Friday and today is exactly 1 week that I ate fufu for 1 whole week. This body, I have not had fufu. Congratulations, congratulations. Guys, so I'm going to work. Today is the final day of work, the last day of work.